In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Vantage to TradingView. By the end, you'll have your brokerage linked so you can place trades directly from your charts. Before we start, make sure you can sign in to both platforms and that your Vantage account is ready to connect, whether you plan to use a live account or a demo account. First, once you're on your TradingView chart, look to the top right of the screen and click on Trade. This opens the trading area where supported brokers are listed. If you don't see it immediately, maximize your chart or make sure you're signed in to TradingView. The Trade button is designed to be easy to find, and clicking it brings up the interface you'll use to link your account. Next, use the broker search to find Vantage. Type the name in the search field, and it should appear in the results. If it doesn't show right away, double-check your internet connection, try a quick refresh, or ensure that your region supports this integration. The search helps you quickly filter the list, so you don't have to scroll through every option. When you see Vantage, click on it, then click Connect. This starts the secure linking process between TradingView and your broker. It may open a small window or tab that asks for authorization. This is normal and ensures your account is connected safely. Read the prompt so you know what access is being requested, then proceed. Now, log in with your Vantage account. Enter your credentials and, if prompted, choose whether you're connecting a live or demo account. You may also be asked to confirm permissions or complete a verification step. Once authenticated, the connection finalizes, and you'll be returned to TradingView with your account linked. And there you go. You should see your Vantage status as connected, along with details like your account type and available balance. From here, you can manage orders directly from your TradingView charts. If anything looks off, simply disconnect and reconnect, or check whether your broker session has expired. Keeping your browser up to date and disabling any aggressive pop-up blockers can also help the process run smoothly. That's all. You've connected Vantage to TradingView with just a few clicks. Open the trade area, search for Vantage, click Connect, and log in. If you found this helpful, save these steps for next time so you can reconnect quickly whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy trading straight from your charts.